Hi children, how are you? Welcome back to Class for English. This time we discuss about Unit 2 paper boats. You can subscribe my channel and click the bell button to get more and more videos. Okay? Look at this picture. How happy the children are. Where are they? What else do you see here? How are they going? Yes, they are going by a boat in a sea. Huge waves are coming over them. Wow, how many such boats. They are very happy. We see the alphabets are flying around them. Have you ever had a boating? How was it? Children, tell me, how does a boat move? Yes, by an engine or by an oar. Are you ready to row a boat with an oar? Let's row and sing a song. See, our boatman is ready. Row, row, row the boat. Row, row, row the boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life's but a dream. Row, row, row the boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life's but a dream. Do you like the song? Sing and enjoy. Look at the picture, read the instruction and do it. Tell me, what do you find here? Do you like to make a boat? Okay, get ready. Take a paper, a square paper, and watch the video. See, my mother is making a paper boat, a new one. You can follow that and make it. Do you like the boat? Can you name the boat? Say something about your boat. My little paper boat. I have a paper boat. Its color is. We'll meet you in the next session. Till then, bye.